Hello students. Now in this video we will study relative velocity. Relative velocity means velocity of an object with respect to any reference point. It may be any other object which is in motion or in rest. Okay. To elaborate this topic, I will take some examples. Like let us suppose this is the ground and train A is moving in this direction with velocity let us suppose the velocity of A, this is the train A, and velocity let us suppose 20 km per hour. In the same direction with a parallel to A, train B is moving with 10 km per hour, and in the same line another train that is called C train, and that is moving with 5 km per hour. The ground is stationary. A is moving in this direction, B is moving in this direction with a different velocity, means with a 20 and with a 10 km per hour respectively. C is moving in opposite direction with respect to A with the speed of 5 km per hour. What you will see here, if you see A from the ground, if we are talking the speed or the velocity of A with respect to ground. What is the meaning of velocity of A with respect to ground? With respect to ground means when the observer observes the train from the ground. That means this is with respect. How it is read that velocity of train A with respect to ground. Velocity of A with respect to ground when an observer, any person, observer that is observing all the phenomena, that when the observer is at ground, means observer is sitting at the ground and seeing that A is moving with 20 km per hour. Let us suppose this direction is positive, and this direction is negative. It may be reverse, but I am taking this direction positive and this direction negative. Means the velocity of A with respect to ground, is 20 km per hour in the positive direction. That means plus 20 km per hour. Now velocity of B with respect to ground. When the observer sitting at the ground observes the train B, the motion of the train B, that means he will find that train B is moving in positive direction with a speed of 10 km per hour. Okay. Now here what you will see, that velocity of C with respect to ground, that is minus 5, because it is an opposite direction. That means minus 5 km per hour. This is also kilometer per hour. Hope you are understanding. This is very easy, but you be confirm about the terms. Velocity of A means with which the velocity of A is moving with respect to ground. Okay, but what we will see here, velocity of B with respect to A, or you can say here velocity of A with respect to B. What is the meaning? Velocity of A with respect to B. B means when the observer is at B, two train is moving in the same direction. When the observer is at B, with respect means the observer is here, means observer is at B, means the observer is moving with 10 km per hour and the train A, whose velocity is to be calculated, that means the velocity is 20 meter, the velocity is 20 km per hour with respect to ground. The velocity of B is 10 km per hour with respect to ground, but velocity of B with respect to A, for example, for a moment, let us suppose this is 20. This is 20. What you will see that both the train will move with the same speed, means velocity of A, velocity of B. If the velocity of A and velocity of B both are same, that means observer sitting at B will see that train A is stationary, train A is at rest, and at the same time observer at A will see that train B is at rest. But here this is 10. Okay, when the observer is observing from the ground of the speed of the train A, that is 20 km per hour, but when the train is in the same direction, the direction of the A, then the speed of the train A will reduce. How much it will reduce? That velocity of train A with respect to B, when the observer is at B, will be velocity of A with respect to ground minus velocity of B with respect to ground. This is plus 20, simply 20 minus 10, this is 10 plus 10 km per hour. Means observer sitting at B will see that train A is moving with a 10 km per hour in the same direction where the train B is moving. Okay, this is very easy. Now velocity of A with respect to C, what you will see? Velocity, because C is moving in this direction, observer at C will see that A is moving more faster. It will see that train A is moving more faster as compared to 20 km per hour. What you will see here, VA with the ground and VC with respect to ground. Here velocity of A with respect to ground is 20 and minus velocity of CG is what? Minus 5. That is what? That is minus plus, means 20 plus 5, this is 25 km per hour. Train A is moving with 20 km per hour with respect to ground. When the observer sees that train A from the ground, the speed of train A will be 20 km per hour, but the observer is here, means observer is sitting at C. Observer sitting at C will see that the speed of velocity A is 20 km per hour in positive direction because it is positive. Hope you are understanding. This is very, very easy. Now velocity of B with respect to A. Velocity of B with respect to A. Velocity of B with respect to ground minus velocity of A with respect to ground. If it is B, here should be B. If it is B, here should be B. If it is A, here should be A. This G may be any other value. Means it may be A, it may be B, it may be C, it may be any other reference point. Okay, I will make you clear how. Let us suppose velocity of B with respect to A is VBG minus BA. VBG, velocity of B with respect to ground, that is 10 km per hour, minus velocity of A with respect to A with respect to ground, that is 20 kilometer per hour, and this is minus 10 kilometer per hour. What is the meaning of minus 10? Minus 10 is the train is moving in this direction. Velocity of B with respect to A, meaning velocity of B with respect to A means when the observer is at A, means the observer is sitting at A, and the observer sitting at A is observing the train moving with a speed of 10 km per hour. The observer at A will see the train B, that means the train B is moving in this direction because the speed of A is high. Both will move here, means A will see that B is moving in this direction with a speed of 10 km. Okay, because B is moving in the negative direction when the observer is at A. Here what we will see again what we will see that velocity of C with respect to A, when the observer is at A and it is observing the velocity of C, what we will see that velocity of C with respect to ground, velocity of A with respect to ground, that is CG, this is minus 5, and this is AG, this is 20, that is minus 25 kilometer per hour. Here you will see that VAC velocity of A with respect to C, that is plus 25 kilometer per hour in this direction, and if you reverse VCA it will be negative, means in this direction. Okay, now also we can write here velocity of C velocity of A with respect to C, velocity of A with respect to B minus velocity of C with respect to B. Here we have calculated velocity of A with respect to C, but the formula, the formula, that is VAG with respect to ground, velocity of C with respect to ground, velocity of A with respect to ground minus velocity of C with respect to ground. But I am changing that point, this reference point. This is A, this is B. A, this is C, this is C. If this is A, there should be A. If this is C, there should be C. But these two reference points with respect, for example, it is what? It is velocity of A with respect to B. It is the velocity of C with respect to B, because both these two terms are same. Here you will see that velocity of A with respect to ground and velocity of C with respect to ground. The answer will be same. How? Velocity of A with respect to B. Velocity of A with respect to B. Velocity of A with respect to B, that is 10. Velocity of A with respect to B, that is calculated, that is 10, minus velocity of C with respect to B. Velocity of C with respect to B, you can calculate velocity of C with respect to B, velocity of C with respect to ground, velocity of B with respect to ground, velocity of C with respect to ground, velocity of C with respect to ground, that is minus 5, and velocity of B with respect to ground, that is 10, and this is what? Minus 15 kilometer per hour. And velocity of C with respect to B can be put here, that is minus 15 kilometer per hour. This is minus plus, that will be equal to 25 kilometer per hour. Here you will see that VAG minus VCG, that is 25. Here also it is 25 kilometer per hour. Hope you are understanding. This is very easy. Now let us move toward the definitions. Relative velocity. Relative velocity is the velocity of any object with respect to another object. This is the relative velocity of C with respect to ground. This is the relative velocity of B, train B, with respect to ground. Okay. Velocity of any object with respect to any other object or any other reference point is called the relative velocity. Okay. Expression for relative displacement and relative velocity. Relative velocity, this is the expression for the relative velocities, and the examples was that Now let us move toward the relative displacement. Relative displacement is what? Okay. Let us suppose this is the position time graph, and at 0 an object, that is, let us suppose any object that was A, and position of that object at that point is what? Velocity. Position of object A at t equals to 0, because time is 0. And here position of B initially. Position of two objects were different. After some time, this is the position of A at some time, after some time. At the same time, time is same. At the same time, the position of B, let us suppose at time t. Position is different. Initially position was xa 0, xb 0. Position of A at 0 time, position of B at 0 time, these were the positions. And after some time after the same time, position of A at t time and position of B at t time. Okay. Now here position at t time, let us suppose this is moving with the velocity Va and this is moving with the velocity Vb. After some time, you know that V is equals to U plus At. Okay. After some time, position will be what? Position at 0, xa at 0 plus velocity, because the velocity is A, that is Va into t. Here position of B at time t will be equals to position at 0 plus Vb into t. Here what you will see that position of B with respect to A will be equals to position of A at t minus position of B position of A at t. Here subtract these two, xb 0 minus xa 0 minus Vb minus Va times. This is the relative displacement, disposition displacement of V with respect to A. Here relative velocity will be what? Relative velocity will be Vba is equals to Vb minus Va. Simply you can write Vb minus Va. Basically this is what? Velocity of B with respect to ground minus velocity of A with respect to ground. Or in other term, you can write velocity of B with respect to any other reference point. Let us suppose x and Vax. It may be y, it may be any other reference point. But these two, this and this, should be same. If this is B, first it will be B and second it is A. Here the second will be A. Hope you're understanding. This is the relative velocity. Thanks for watching.